Firstly, preheat the water chamber with hot water during preparation of the coffee grind. Weigh the grind to approximately 18 grams for a double shot espresso. Then tamp the grind, ready to place onto the machine. Remove the preheating water and refill with hot water ready for the extraction process. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll show temperature readings, but this is not required for normal use. Prior to extraction, the internal water chamber reads 95 degrees Celsius. Add the shower screen and connect the portafilter onto the machine. Now you're ready to extract. Rotate slowly to pre-infuse the puck and adjust rotation speed until the pressure gauge reads between 6 to 9 bar pressure. Once complete, rotate the handle anti-clockwise to create a negative pressure in the chamber. This makes it easier to remove the portafilter and to prevent any drips. The temperature reading shows 71.5 degrees Celsius, which is exceptionally good for a portable machine. Now remove the portafilter and remove the used grind. The grind will release with one tap as a one-part dry puck, which makes cleaning really easy. The portafilter can be cleaned using a cloth. A couple of wipes is enough to prepare the portafilter for the next extraction. Retract the piston for the next espresso extraction by rotating anti-clockwise until it reaches a locked position. To save time, we would recommend preparing the pucks in advance using additional portafilters, but for the purpose of this demonstration, we will repeat the process of weighing the grind. We'll take the temperature reading once more for reference. It shows 95 degrees Celsius in the water chamber prior to the extraction. This time we have achieved a temperature reading of 72 degrees Celsius, which is great. Now it's time to enjoy your espresso.